I had a call from a customer who just had renovations done on their building. They did an upgrade on their exhaust system. They were 3, 4, 5 weeks. Maintenance were going around, couldn't figure out why they were smelling sewage. The sewage smell would get richer after after lunch, closer to mid-afternoon and whatnot. When we come to find out, they had the bathroom exhaust system right next to the air intake, and I guess when people would use the washroom, it would end up getting sucked back into the air intake.
I did a mold abatement job probably 15, 16 years ago, and the house had been condemned, and someone had to go in and abate the house, and there had been 90 cats living in the house. The occupants of the house had left and would just throw in bags of food. It was in a local newspaper. I'm not going to say what state or anything, but it was the worst smell. You could stay in there for about an hour and fully suited up, respirators, everything. I think I ended up burning the clothes I had underneath of my suit when I completed that job.